Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is Anita Chopra here. Today we'll learn about diary writing, that while writing diary, what are the points to be remembered. First point, when we write a diary entry, first point to remember is the date must be mentioned on the left hand side at the top. Right, that means when you are writing the diary, on the left hand side top here the date should be there. Nowadays, when the diary is we are writing, so no punctuation mark to be added. It's not necessary to add the punctuation marks. Now, second point, leave one line and start the paragraph. Immediately after writing the date, you can start writing the diary in a paragraph style or in a point style as the writer wishes. Then, the description have to be clear and brief. The writer, whatever diary he is writing, he is expressing the particular feeling about a celebration or a particular period of time or about a particular or a special day. Yes, then the description have to be clear. Whatever he or she is writing, the description should be clear in that, because diary is nothing but what? A written form of a particular person about his feeling, what he feel about a particular day or occasion, right? Then expressed in a logical way. It should be in a logical way so that everyone, those who read the diary entry, can understand it very well. Then it is a informal type of style. Yes, because particular pattern or format or systematic rule regulation is not followed here while we are writing the diary. It is a informal type of style. After that, ideas may be written in paragraph. The ideas can be written in paragraph also, and it can be written in points also. It depends upon the writer's thought. Right? After that, basically it is an honest expression of a writer. It is the honest feeling of a writer, what he writes in a diary. His own thought and feeling, his own experiences, what he want to write in a diary. One may end it up or wind it up or conclude it with signing it. Lastly, the writer will be signing on the left side. Yes, but it is optional. It's not necessary. If the writer does not sign here, then also it's not then also it is okay. Right? Then also the diary is complete. From the examination point of view also, diary writing is important. It comes in 4 to 5 marks in diary, or sometimes it comes in 3 marks also. So by following all these rules and practicing it, 4 or 5 marks are definitely, it is not going anywhere, right? So you are supposed to remember all these rules basically when you are making a diary entry. Clear? There is no particular format in this, only simple rules are there to remember. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you viewers for watching my channel, and see you in my next video. Thank you so much.